you have been given. So I advise you to always set the settings before you start working. However, you have done your draft now, so you're going to have to adapt them as you go. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the format, how to change the format. So this is what your essay text is supposed to look like. But right now, most of you looks like this, or most of your texts look like this. So how you should change it is you highlight it, and then you click on the font drop down box, you choose Arial. Then you click on the sizing drop down fonts and you choose size 12. Then you click on the line spacing, which is the lines of the two arrows, you choose 1.5. And then always, even if it doesn't say so, when you write something in university, you align it as a block, which is justified. And that's how it looks. If you want to set your settings for future assignments, you can go to your styles, right click, and say modify. There you can even change the name to assignment if you want. Choose your font, choose your sizing, choose your alignment as justified, choose your line spacing as 1.5, and here in the bottom you can see all the settings that you have, and then you can choose new documents based on this template. So whenever you choose this style, then you can use the settings, and then you set them, and there you go. Then moving on, we're going to look at how do you insert a cover page. So what you can do is you can stand in front here and copy your copy your plagiarism declaration cover page from your study guide and paste it in there. Or if you do not want to do that, you can just say insert cover page, and then you can choose any one that you like. Okay, so I already did that. Then you can fill in all of your blocks, and there you go. If ever there are too many blocks, which sometimes happen, don't leave them there. Click on it. Let's say take this one away, click on it, press delete on your keyboard, and it will disappear. Okay, do not leave a block there that says type in this or this or this. That's unprofessional. So that is how you can fix that. Then that was how to insert your cover page. Moving on, how to insert your bibliography. So you note that you do your footnotes as you type, so you can't do that. Now to skip to the next page, you stand at the end of your work, you press Ctrl, hold it in, and press Enter. Or you use insert page break. So I'm going to show you both ways. So there I'm standing at the bottom of my work, pressing Ctrl on the keyboard, and I press Enter. And then it moves me to the next page, because your bibliography has to be at the end of your document. If you struggle with that, you can just stand at the bottom of your page, choose Insert, Page Break, and then it will also take you to the next page. Okay. So then you can stand at the next page, type in your bibliography. As you can see, I already did that. So you just type in the word bibliography, highlight it, underline it, bold it, whatever you want to do, enter, and then you can start typing your sources. To make your title italics, you highlight it, you click on the I, and that is how you make it italics. Okay, if you go on the home bar, here is your I for italics as well. So you type in all your authors there. Make use of the document that has been emailed to you and order your sources alphabetically. Do not number or bullet or categorize your sources, as this causes problems. Okay? So then I'm just going to show you how to insert your footnote as well. So you stand wherever you need to put it in, go to references and say insert footnotes. Click on it and there it will take you to the bottom. There you can type your information that you have to, which can also be found in your documents. Okay, so you can see it automatically puts the footnote there, and then there will be a little one, space after it, and then you can type again. And that is how you do the footnote. For other subjects, you are allowed to do automatic referencing. I'm not going to show you how to do that because we are using the footnote style, and the footnote style is not uploaded to the automatic referencing in Windows or in Microsoft. So if you want to know how to do that, leave a comment down below and I'll do a separate video on that. Okay, but we make use of the footnote style, so you can do it automatically. The only automatic thing that you can do is your footnotes. Then moving on, the next thing is how do you change your spelling and grammar? Now this has never been a problem, but now you're using the word child labor in your work, and labor in America is L-A-B-O-R, but in South Africa we write it L-A-B-O-U-R, okay? So now your spelling and grammar is an issue. So always double check that your language is correct before you start. You can change your language now for your draft. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to review there at the top menu, click on review, click on language, choose set proofing language, and then you're going to scroll down to English. You're going to choose either South Africa or United Kingdom. It does not matter which one because South Africa makes use of British English. So choose whichever English you like. You can set it as your default, and then the font style that you changed or adapted or are making use of, like the normal or the assignment one, which I showed you at step 1, that is going to be the style that the language saves to. Okay, so then you can say set as default. Okay, and here at the bottom you will see that it changes in the bottom left corner. So there you can see it shows your language, and as long as your language shows correctly there, that's where you can check it every time, then you will be fine. The next thing I want to show you is how to check your word count. Okay, so again at the bottom left corner you can see it says page 2 of 3, and then how many words there is on the entire document. Now note this is the entire document. So if you want to see how many words your essay is, you're going to highlight your essay, and then it's going to show you this is how many words is highlighted against the total. Okay, and that is how you can look at your word count. So these are the 5 things that you need to know for your technical aspects. If there's anything else that you want to know, leave a comment down below and I'll help you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and please make use of this in your assignment so that you do not lose unnecessary marks. Thank you and goodbye.